Question 19 on probability trees. We've got Wendy, she's going to a fun fair and she's going to play hoopla and play on the coconut shy. The probability that she wins the hoopla is 0.4. The probability that she wins the coconut shy is 0.3. Well, if the probability she wins is 0.4, then the probability she loses must be 0.6. Obviously our probabilities on these trees need to add up to make 1. Exactly the same here. If Wendy wins the coconut shy, it's 0.3. She loses the coconut shy, that's going to be 0.7. Now in this case, we write down the exact same numbers underneath because this problem does not rely on anything that's happened before. And there is our completed tree diagram. We now want to work out the probability that Wendy wins the hoopla and also wins the coconut shy. So we want a win and a win. So a win followed by a win, which will take us to this result. Win the first one is 0.4 and multiply. Win the second one 0.3 gives me an answer of 0.12. Don't make the mistake here of thinking that this multiplies to give us 1.2. This would be silly because we know that this is a probability and probabilities can't ever be greater than 1. Okay? If you're struggling to see how these multiply to give us 0.12, remember that 0.4 is the same as 4 out of 10. 0.3 is the same as 3 out of 10. When I multiply fractions, I multiply the tops and the bottoms, and 12 divided by 100 is 0.12.